Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and shoot, you weren't supposed to see that yet. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. But in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to make our own custom Supreme, actually in Louis Vuitton, director's chair. So, if you guys want to see how to do that, check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, and as you can see, yes, that is the final product right here, our new Supreme Director's Chair. Now I know the real one has all red all the way, or it's all black. I decided I wanted this look. I didn't really want to paint that all, and I think this looks clean like this. So again, if you guys really want to get to that, you can do that. I felt like this looks better, to be honest. So with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions of things you want to see in the future, let me know, put it down in the comments. Also, if you like this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos or do-it-yourself stuff like this, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks, and today we made an off-white chair to add to this beautiful backdrop, right? So, see what I make next time.